Hi, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to show you a very easy way that you can do French manicure all by yourself. You don't have to go to the salon. This is how I do it. So just stay tuned. Okay, so I like to start with the Nail nail hardener. As you can see here, this is very good. You can use really any nail hardener you like. I just happen to like this one. Again, this is by Nail. So I've already prepped my nails. I've already done the little base coat using the nail hardener. Okay, and now I'm going to, all you need for this is a basic white. I prefer just this stark white color. Again, any brand is fine. This one happens to be LA Colors, the gel type. As you can see here, I actually like this one because it's really, pure white. All right, so now watch very closely. This is going to be the easiest do-it-yourself French manicure ever. All right, so I really just like to do the tip. And now, of course, steady hand does it. Always steady. And voila. Okay, see? So again, I just do the tips. I know that, it depends if you have long nails, short nails, but if you just do the tip, you're kind of done. I mean, that essentially is the French. I know there's so many variations on the French, but I really like this one. And I do at least 2 coats, so I'll go ahead and do the first coat here, as you can see. Again, just try to stay within the line as best as you can. Okay, here I go. And there it is. And always don't forget your thumb. It doesn't have to be perfect, but okay, so that's the first coat. And I really want to show you that you definitely need a second coat, depending on what type of nail polish you're using. But with this one, I'm going to go for the second coat for sure. And so here I go with the second coat. And that's just to make sure that when you're doing the French, you want that solid white. You don't want anything to peek through, okay? So again, just really stay within your lines. Do a nice little second coat. And let's see here. Oh, I came out of the line a little bit, but nothing terrible. You can always just steady, fix it. Okay, and remember, any oopsies that you do, it's going to be corrected once you put the top coat on. In this case, I use the nail hardener as both base coat and top coat. That's what I like to do. That way the nail's really protected. See, so far so good. What do you all think? Do you like this French? Again, very simple. Won't take you more than 5 minutes, and it's going to save you a ton because, as you know, in the nail salon, you'll pay a lot for the French. The French is always more expensive, of course. Again, then the final step is really just to put your top coat. As I said, I'm just going to use the same Nail hardener, nail hardener, and I'm going to put the top coat. And voila, see that? You'd never know that I did it myself. Which means you can do it too. I got a little white there. Okay. You should wait a little bit before you put the top coat. But let's see here. Okay. And the top coat really just seals it and makes it look really neat. Last one is my thumb. Oopsies. Okay. Thumb. Oops. I'm really generous when it comes to the top coat. I like to put heavy. All right. Finished product. What do we think? All right. Thanks. See you next week. Bye.